Well, as you can see right now, we do have the EFF's CIC, Julius Malema, and he's about to actually make the big unveil of the gift that we have been talking about since the morning. Here it is, what now has been branded as a German horse by the former chairperson of the EFF, Dalidyebo. You can tell, if you can see the look on the king's face right now, he is excited. We see that the CIC actually has the keys and he's about to hand them over to the king right now. He's about to, and we also have the deputy president of the EFF joining in as well. And here is the king receiving his gift that he had announced on the weekend just before Elections Day. You can see the CIC handing it over now, and I mean the look on his face, very excited, as many had actually said, had actually questioned that, will this even happen, Dudu? As you can see right now, this has happened. He is actually now about to open for him to come in. He is close to tears right now, Dudu, and I'm sure you can see right now, he is excited. He is very excited about his gift. Let's just try to get in, just to hear what exactly he's saying. Let's just try and get in what he's saying. There he is, getting his wife, the queen, to come in as well and join him inside this brand new gift. Let's hear what he has said. Let's just listen in, maybe. How are you feeling, Kumgan?
I'm feeling brand new.
Just like your car?
Feel like a multi-millionaire.
Just like your car?
Just like the car.
You are happy?
I'm very happy. It's way above what I expected. This is something else. What a wonderful surprise. So grateful. I've been placed on top of the world.